Hi guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the must-have lipsticks of 2020 for spring and summer, and more specifically for Nude Drugstore lipsticks. I have 8 products today to share with you, and I have done one more video for spring-summer lipsticks. In that one I have pastel and light colors. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. On my lips I have the first nude lipstick. Actually it is a lip gloss, and this is by Essence, the Plumping Nude Lip Gloss in the shade 3 She's So Extra, and I love this lip gloss so much. A lot of times I'm using this in the beginning of my testing videos, and it is like my lips but better. It has a light caramel color. About the plumping properties, in the beginning it is very refreshing, but it's not giving a tingling effect or it's not uncomfortable. This shade can look fantastic on a lot of different skin tones, and for so many eye looks you can do something very natural, only mascara, or you can do a very dark black, bronzy, brown, smoky eye look, and this is going to look super nice. This one is not sticky at all, and it has a super beautiful glossy finish. After that we have one more lip gloss. This is by the brand AOA Studio, and this is the Lip Pop lip gloss. I have it in the shade Role Model, and it is such a pretty color. It is a light peachy beige lip shade, and it is so pretty. You can find this brand on the Shop Me Say website for $1, please. $1, this is $1. So this is a very creamy lip gloss. It is like a creamy lipstick with a glossy finish. This one is not separating. It has a very nice consistency. It feels on the lips like a lip butter. This one can go very well with dark brown smoky eye looks. And moving on to the Generation Plump and Shine lip gloss by Catrice Cosmetics, and I have it in the shade Sparkling Coral. This is like one of my most favorite lip glosses. I wear it all the time, and I also like it a lot on top of other lipsticks because it has a very nice consistency and it doesn't make my lips, very thick. I have lip gloss on my teeth. This is also a plumping product, but I don't feel anything with this on my lips, to be honest. I think it plumps them, but I don't feel anything on my lips. That's great, right? This shade is going to look super nice with a soft pink eye look like what I have today, and you can also do something very dark. This is not sticky and it has a very nice glossy finish. This one has a very nice scent as well. It reminds me of cakes. This specific one is going to look a little bit different on other skin tones and other natural lip shades. My lip shade is Dusty Rose, and it looks a little bit pinkier, but this is also going to look amazing on everyone. Let's continue with another product by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Dewy Full Lips Conditioning Lip Butter, and it contains shea butter. I have it in the shade Let's Do This. This is a light beige color with a little bit of pink. I really like it for anything basically. It has a very light sheen on the lips and also a very comfortable formula. For this one I think you don't need to have any makeup on. It is so natural and you can just have it as a lip balm, especially if you like this glossy finish, why not? So the formula is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like something very thick because it is a lip butter, and when I'm pressing my lips I like that the product is not separating and I have an even color on the lips. After that I have some creamy lipsticks, and this one here is the color Sensational lipstick by Maybelline. I have it in the shade More to Adore 157, and these lipsticks have the most amazing scent. It reminds me of a Greek sweet pastry. It is called Tsureki. These are the Tsureki lipsticks. I love it. It smells so nice. This one here has a very nice creamy formula and a light pink beige color. It can go very well with this eye look that I have, also with a purple smoky eye look. The next one is the same lipstick in a different shade. It is the Velvet Beige 630, and this one is so beautiful as well. I like it in the summer with just winged eyeliner and nothing else, maybe some blush on the nose. highlighter, and that's it. This one has a darker brown dusty rose color. The next lipstick has a very lightweight and creamy formula, and it is the This Is Me lipstick by Essence in the shade 10 Naughty. This can go with basically everything because it is such a light color. With this formula we have like a light matte finish, but it's not drying at all. It is actually very comfortable on the lips. And here we have one more This Is Me lipstick. This is in the shade 12 Loyal. This one can look fantastic with bronzy eye looks and especially a yellow eye look or something with copper. Yeah, coppery eyeshadows. This is a very light nude lipstick. It has a little bit of peach, I think, and pink. I'm not very sure, and I really like this color. With this formula the product is not transferring, also it is not bleeding. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite lip color of today's video. You can find this one in 20 shades and you can see my swatches here. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!